What's going on, everybody? This is Man Warrior with Man Warrior Cards. About a year ago, I opened some Mosaic Blasters. I think it was 2024 NFL Mosaic Blasters, and every single one of the rookie cards that I opened, the base rookies, all of them said Prism on the back, but none of them were actually Prism cards. It was a total fluke. But so I sent all of the base rookie cards back to Panini, and I just received a package from Panini. It feels very light, like there's like only one card in here or something. I haven't opened it yet. I wanted to open it here on camera just to see exactly what I got from here and if I got completely screwed, because this was 3 blasters worth of cards. Where all of the rookies were like that. Did I not open it? Okay, I did. Whoa. Interesting. So it came in this little case of cards. Immediately on the front, here's some weird rando contenders auto for Benjamin Jackson. I am not familiar with the defensive end rookie Benjamin Jackson, and this, I definitely didn't open any contenders. Let's hope that there's something better in this. And one more piece of tape. It does seem like there's at least 5 or 6, maybe 7 or 8 cards in here. And you have to understand that, like, some of these base rookies were like some of the big name quarterbacks from 2024. So like my expectation is that I should be getting at least something of that equivalent from this. The first thing was that Brennan Jackson rookie. So contenders Tyler Davis auto. Again, I don't know who this is. Behind it, Max Melton on the optic rated rookie, whatever this red is. I'm gonna just like flip this over. Rookie. It's optic. It's a base. Caleb Williams. Okay. So another rated rookie of these. I don't know what these are. What this like is it like a Pandora? It's from 2024 Donruss Optic Football. Javon Baker. Next one, it's a base rated rookie, Jaden Hicks. Base rated rookie, Troy Franklin. So far, like, this isn't making up for it, Panini. Base rated rookie, Michael Pratt. Optic, Rook Ahorahoro. All the rest seem like they're just base rated rookies. Theo Johnson, Jalen Wright, Chris Jenkins, Dijon Edwards. No, they didn't make this right, in my opinion. Like, why would I give them, like, it was like Prism, like Drake May, Caleb Williams, rookie cards, and I got one base Caleb, Max Melton, and two contenders autos of these guys that I've never heard of. Yeah, I waited a year for that. I think that they could have done better on this. I think I'm gonna give them a call and then send them another email and try to figure out like how this made up for it. But anyways, I appreciate it. Y'all take it easy.